Guys, it's been a long. Thank you guys for everything. It's been a long journey with the angels. So I thank you, Professor Lucio, Professor Cash, Professor Ali. I was talking earlier today with him about how I started. So when I started, Professor Lucio was abroad, and he was like leading the class. So I started with Professor Ali. So thank you, Professor. Obrigado, Professor. Thank you, Professor. My guy, my guy, Carlos. My teammate. For you guys, here, we stand together. So thank you. My guy, this guy, today, he analyzed me on like a back chop. So for you guys, it's been like I said, it's been a long journey. So I had like 2 massive big angels. My last one, I want to quit, but Professor Lucio told me like, so don't quit. You are like above the wheel, so don't quit, because it was my shoulder. It's been like 2 years since I've been like I had the operation, but I don't think I will recover fully, because sometimes I feel like it's like a new injury. So I don't think like on my age, I don't think I'm gonna be full recover, but I will still going train with you guys. So it's been like a good.
Mas vamos mudar os que vão chegar aqui, doing good as well.